working with limited, the limitations imposed by nature on you is the only key to achieve optimal success. Because if you will not work optimally, then your performance will be low, as shown over here. So this peak corresponds to the optimal performance. It's from an AC circuit, and you can say that effect of damping. So here output is high, you can see that amplitude is high, so damping is low over here. And here if damping is high, then output will be low, as shown over here. So it corresponds to the resonance in mechanical systems, as human beings are also a sort of, the neural patterns inside human beings are sort of current flow in a particular electrical circuit. So as the current in a particular AC circuit is maximum when the frequency of the external AC source is equal to the natural frequency of oscillation of that particular circuit. In the very same way, the performance by you is maximum when the frequencies of neural firing or the patterns formed by the neural firing, the frequency of that is equal to the natural frequency of you, which is obviously governed by your DNA, which is limited by so many factors, which is about you, your existence, your individuality. So the trick here is to stay limited within your optimal performance, within 5% error plus or minus within the optimal performance, so that you can perform better. So here is the concept of resonance in mechanical system. You must have heard about tuning forks. Well, here is the brain waves that I explained earlier. So thing is that human brain and the mind, they interact via the brain waves, and brain waves are the key factor to make your brain works in a certain specific way. So mediating the frequencies of the mind-brain system is a secret to success in any field of life which is beyond survival and reproduction. Now let's begin with chapter 6, which is challenges during competitive exams. So the first challenge is fear of questions. So generally when a student solves a particular question, he is afraid he is not mentally capable to adapt to the process of solving that particular question. So the first challenge is fear of questions. Second is anxiety, as you can see over here. Third is exam phobia. Students are generally afraid of giving exams. Next is depression. So next is mental fatigue. So there are certain factors which there are challenges during exam. It seems like you don't have energy. So there are certain challenges.